There's so much Halloween stuff here, but I'm here to look at the plants. So yeah. But for anyone who's into Halloween, they have cute pet stuff. And then if you look, this whole section is full of Halloween stuff. BU $7.98, expressive and playful designs. Most likely there's going to be a voiceover, something I'm gonna have to start doing in my videos because I can't even talk in here too soon. I did notice that there was tons of clearance throughout the store. Different types of planters and just different plant accessories were on clearance for the end of the summer. I was super surprised to see that they still have some of the items that were here at the beginning of the summer in stock. I also stumbled across some of the, let's see, I have to read while I'm actually voicing over, some of the Wick and Grow planters. I think they're so cute, but they're definitely pretty pricey. I found some pretty rare and unique plants, at least to me, plants that I haven't really seen in the Lowe's Wick and Grow section. From my local Lowe's, it seems that the Pia tree is new. I usually see them on the West Coast. I will say they are very forgiving plants, but of course they're an ivy plant, so they need lots of constant care and watering. Surprisingly, my local Lowe's had lots of the Bella palms in the small size. It says that they're highlight. I think it's more of a medium light plant. I keep it about 5 feet away from my plant room window. I also found the Moon Valley Friendship plant. These are so beautiful, right? I also found some fall or autumn colored planters. Grace is the word, it's the word. Look at all the large plants that they have. I decided to go with this Marble Queen Pothos because I thought she was so beautiful. It's super loud in here even though they just opened, but yeah, and there's inflatables everywhere. I decided to go with the Marble Queen Pothos. $6.98. She's growing really well and the roots have fuzzy stuff on it, which to me indicates that they're doing really well. My hair looks so crazy.
Yo.